Hi there, Mark Cunningham here, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at the Project Summary Report in Xero Projects. So this video is part of a full series on Xero Projects, so if you want to learn more, check out the link to the playlist in the description below. Let's jump into Xero now and check out the report. So if you go to the report section, scroll down to Projects and click on Project Summary, and then we'll just click Update to run the report as is. And here you can see a list of all the projects that we've got in the system at the moment and their current status. So you can see there's all sorts of information on there, such as the estimate and the actuals, the amount that's uninvoiced, total invoiced, gross profit, and a profit percentage. So there's lots of different settings that you've got for this particular report. So you can run it and just show the things that you want to see. So starting from the top, you can deselect draft, for example, if you want, and that will take away the 132 columns report, like so. And obviously, if you want to, you can also tick or untick the other two. And then you can also pick a date. So you can't pick a date into the future. You can pick today's date, or you can pick an end of last month, quarter, or financial year if you want to run these reports on a particular end date. And then you've also got these columns. So they're not all selected, as you can see. There's nothing selected there for hours. We don't have the deadline dates on there, and the project state either. So basically you just go through and tick and untick the things that you want to see on here. And then of course you've got your grouping as well. So you can group it by contact, which is what it's done here at the moment. You can also summarize it, or you can do none. And then you can also filter the report. So there's a few different filters in here if you wanted to just select certain contacts, for example, or you wanted to put in a date range for date closed, for example, and there's all sorts of other filters in here as well. So you can have a look through those and see what applies to you depending on how you want to run the report. And then finally, you've also just got this checkbox here if you want to show the decimals or not. So this is a pretty handy report. It pretty much just shows you the profitability of each of your projects by client. So you can see this one for the client 7-Eleven, we've actually got the two different projects on there. And these numbers correspond to the numbers that you have over here. So if we go into, say, the new doors project and profitability, so it will correspond to the numbers that you see on here. So that report you can run for all of your projects instead of just having a look at it for one of your projects at a time. So you can just set it up to run it depending on what you want to see.